In this Unity tutorial, you're gonna learn this. We come over to the here, we go close to the door, press E, the door opens, we go, and the door shuts on our back. It kinda makes a small jump scare for horror games, but that's it. Okay, let's go. So first of all, we definitely need a We definitely need a door for that. So we go in our prefabs, add a door. Okay, we add this door. We go over to the door is been made and we now have to make animations to it. We also have to apply a box collider and make it a trigger. I have just a prefab of it already, so it was easy for me. You guys have to make it your way. And we now go to animations. We have to create 3 animations. For this thing I make it on prefab only. When I make it idle and add properties, we're gonna make a transform. We're gonna just add rotation 1 and that's it. We're gonna add a rotation 1, that's it. Just copy one of these. We go to the we make it open one, another animation. We paste the when we copied, we go to this one and we rotate it. Okay, before doing that, make sure you have this on, or unless it won't record your things. Okay, we make the door open and we see animation plays nicely, door opens. And now we have to make a door shut animation. For that, copy this one and go to this one, make a new one, close or shut, you can name it anything. We press that and go to open again, copy that one. Okay, copy that one. Make it a little bit more than like on 40 seconds so it goes off quickly. Okay, the door shuts back. So animation is done. Now we head on to the animator. The default is idle. If you make that in first go, make transitions, open to close and close to this, open. We're gonna close off these things in all 3 transitions. First of all, we have to make bool. One is open and another is gonna be closed. That's it. And now we add bools. This one, make it one, this one only closed and true. Make this false, this going back, make it open true. Okay, animator is done, everything is done. Now we go back to the project and we simply select a door. Animator is being done. You see, animator is done. Now we add the scripts to our game and a script to our door. The door is here. We're gonna add door open script to it. We assign the animator open text. You wanna whichever you wanna make it, you can make it. Where it is UI, you can make it this one. Go to the door and drag and drop this one. You can also add sounds that like that. Okay, sounds is done. And the one thing I made this one trigger, but you know the door, inside this door you also have to assign a box collider so though that you don't pass through the door, okay, unless it's open. And now we have to make a trigger because when the person reaches over to certain location, the door shuts back on him like that. So we have to make that also. For that is just easy. Go to your go to your anywhere, create an empty, make it like trigger door slam. Just make it over there and add a box collider to it. Okay, we add a box collider to it, make it on surface, make it center somewhat. We go over to this. Okay, makes the z size 0 or 0.2 because that definitely doesn't matter over here. Make this thing on so that you can make trigger also on. You can just lay out this thing like that and like that. Make it a perfect hallway so that player should also have to enter through that. So that being said, our 2 triggers are all made. and we go to the player right now, and we see that I have added two tools. Like, first of all, okay, let me show you. The first is the reach tool. That will be used for the door when the person, when person sees the door knob, when the text appears, door open. And the second is one when the person reaches to that, to that door trigger, so that the door can slam shut. That happens. And okay, that's it. And we have to also apply, uh you can make this also flat, this reach 2, and also have to add this reach 2 tag to this one, and to reach tag to this one, first one. Okay, and we go to our new trigger that has been made for us, that I made. That is this door trigger, and we have to assign that door slam to this thing. Okay, so audio source we assign, after we have to assign there. I think I have made that in this thing. Now wait a second, where is that thing? Okay, I believe that, yeah, that is thing. This is the sound. Okay, I copy it, made it through the door, so that player only listens that in near to the door. Make it somewhat slow if you want. Okay, that's it. And you can drag this into your door animation or something. That being said, that's all is done. And yeah, an assigning thing is left. You assign this to your door, that is sound, and your door animator to it, and your script, that is gonna be this one. Okay, let's make sure we have done everything right. Yep, that's it. Now we have done everything in the script. Let's move on to the scripting thing and how it's being done. So first of all, this is an open door script. You just have to assign three things: animator, game object, open text. Whenever the person sees the doorknob, he sees a text. An audio source, but open door opening sound. We make two bools in reach and is open. And reach comes in play. And reach comes in play where where you see the doorknob. The reach tool we have made, like you see this one, this reach one, and this tag is being used over like there. You see it, reach tag. So whenever the person is in the reach tag, in reach becomes true, and this open text also becomes true. That so shows that door is open the door. And if in reach is true and we get input button interact, for this interact you have to add this thing in the project settings. You have to interact, make it interact exact same words e, and you have to just add these, multiply this, increase these numbers if you don't have place for it. And you can just I have like these multiples, you can change them and assign any key to it. That will work. And these two things, open over here, open and close, this has to be exactly same as the bools we have assigned in animator. These have to be exactly same to work. Okay, and one more thing, whenever like you do this thing, make sure this loop time is off. Okay, unless it will be not good. We do that. If this thing happens, then make this. If this condition is been met, this happens, else this happens. Okay, that is a simple thing. And these two things are there. If is open, we make this open over here true, and if door is open, then we make the script and the box collider of the door, make them both false, so that we don't see the text again and we don't listen the sound again. Okay, that's being said. Okay, we now have to move on to the door slam thing. As you can see, the thing is the same, similar. Now I have used the reach 2. You can see I have tagged this reach 2, so I have used a reach 2 tag over here, and this one was reach 1, or just simple reach, and I made it reach true. And if reach in reach, then the door shuts up. This is the animation for door, and this is just door shut sound. And if slammed is true, we also make the door trigger. We also make that trigger door trigger slam, trigger door slam also false, cause if that is not false, it whenever if we if we enter in the trigger multiple times, the sound is gonna play multiple times. So that is necessary to do that. If slam is true, box collider is false, and the script is also false. The scripts also kind of similar. I will give to you in the description. You can download it from there. Let's check out our things. Okay, hope it works in the first go. But sometimes it just takes something always. Okay, we go over here. Our door is standing still. Door is open. A nice sound is being played. You see, door is being shut. You can make this animation fast by making it closer. Oh, nice. But what's the use of door if we can open this? So that being said, I can jump really high. Okay, so that being said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and if you are new to the channel and you want to watch more Unity tutorials and systems, then you can hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss a video. Bye bye.